Good morning, teachers and fellow classmates. So today I'll be talking about our IP. So this is a 3D game. It's called Tower Defense, and this is the starting page when you launch the game. This is where you always start at. So there are three options on this main menu page. There is the start option and quit button. So quit button will just closes the game, and then in the start button, once I click start button, I'll come to this page. This is our login page that we created. So on this login page, you can see we have the email, password, and username, and then there's a sign in and sign up button, and then a forget password if the users forget their password. And then this slider is for the players to choose which clan they want to join when they are creating their game. And this is the back button that will bring them back to the main menu page, the starting page, sorry. So now I'll create a new account. Okay, so I'll sign up. So now if we look at the Firebase, if I were to refresh my Firebase, you can see that in my authentication, you can see that I have created a new email account, and then this is my UUID, and you can see that when it's created, when it's signed in, then what we used to create it. So now going back to the game, so this is like after you finish the game, right? You can go to the player stats, and then you can see your player stats inside here, and then you can see the player name and then his stats. So for our stats, we have the high score, EXP, time wasted, and the last played. And also there is this delete all stats button, which I'll show you later on. And we have our leaderboard. So this leaderboard is we have our rank, player name, and score. So we'll show the leaderboard will basically show the top 5 ranking players and what is their highest score that they obtain. So now I'll be going into the ITD part. So for our game, right, we actually have two modes. We have the casual, play casual, or the infinity mode. So now I'll be going into the play casual. So now we'll go into the casual game mode. So as you can see, this is our map, and then over here will be our shop, and this is like the main panel that most players will look at during the game. So you can see over here is our life, and then this is the amount of money we have and the score we have, and this is the countdown for the timer countdown for the next wave that the enemy will come out. So the enemy comes out from this green box, and they'll travel along this black line all the way till they reach the red box at the end there. And then once the enemy reaches the red box at the end there, the life will turn to 0, and we will lose the game. So to put the tower is very simple. You just need to go to each of the turret shops here. You just have to click it, and then you go to the box, and you just click again. You just click on the button again, and then you will place the turret. So you can place your turrets on any of the white box around the map area. And for the turrets, there are 2 levels to each of the turret. So you can just to upgrade your turret, you can just press on the turret again, and then you will have this pop up over here, and then you can just click on upgrade, and then you upgrade your turret to a 2nd level. Same goes for the other 2 turrets as well. You can click and you can click upgrade, and then it will upgrade the turrets for you. So every time you kill an enemy, our score will increase, and our money will also increase. So I will just show it to you. So see, now that we killed the enemy, our scores are increasing and our money are increasing, and we won the game. So our game has a total of 10 rounds. So for the first 9 rounds, it will consist of like blue balls, yellow ball, and also red ball. So blue ball is the most normal one. It's the basic level 1 ball. And then as for the yellow ball are the faster, are the ones that move very fast, but they have lesser HP. And then the red ball will be a slow moving tanker. And then the final, at round 10 will be the final boss. So the final boss is a big black colored ball. So now I'll show you the player stats after we finish the game. So if you go to the player stats, we can see our high score, our EXP, and then the time wasted, and the last played timing. So now if we go into the Firebase, you can see that our UUID, and then we'll go over to the real-time Firebase to see the player stats if it's recorded in our Firebase. So we just have to find the UUID that is linked to my account, and then I press the drop down, and you can see that it's created on the high score, the time span, the updated on timing, and the username and the EXP. So if let's say like I want to redo my game, I want to restart my stats, I want to delete everything, I just need to go over to the player stats, and then I just click delete all stats. And once I click delete all stats, you'll see that on my Firebase it becomes red color, and then my player stats get deleted away from the real-time database. So next, I'll be going towards the leaderboard. So for the leaderboard, currently as I'm recording this, we are still doing the leaderboard now. So for the leaderboard, they'll show the ranking, the player name, and the score. So we have the leaderboard will show like the top 5 ranking scorers, their name and what is the score that they have. And the back button just brings us back to this main menu page if you want to continue playing the game again. So now I'll show you the infinity mode. The infinity mode and the normal mode will be the same. The only difference is that for the infinity mode, right? Hold on, yeah. I'll just place some turrets down first while I talk. So for the infinity mode, you can see that the Gatling gun turret and the missile turret only unlocks during wave 3 and wave 5. So we have to finish every wave. Only after we finish the 3rd wave will this gunner turret be unlocked, and only if we finish wave 5 will the missile launcher turret be unlocked. And for the infinity mode will be the same as the casual mode. You can also upgrade your turrets in the infinity mode. So as I'm recording now, we are still adjusting all the lighting issues, and then all the placing of the turrets and some of the other stuff. So same thing as the casual mode, you can see the wave countdown timer here, and then the score that we currently have, and the amount of money we have, and the life. And if you want to go back to menu, you just need to press the menu, and then we will go back to the main menu page. So yeah, that is about it for our tower defense game. Thank you.